Welcome to episode 3, where we finally get back to Replikanto. After surviving the sync spiral and rebuilding my NinjaTrader app, I can finally dive into the tool I meant to cover all along. Today's walkthrough is about data, structure, and setting up Replikanto the right way with zero OneDrive drama. Let's jump in. Alright, the first thing you'll want to do is go to your control center on NinjaTrader. I have mine somewhat hidden behind my camera. You'll click on the help icon and then third-party licensing. That'll pop up this window here. You'll type in 𝗤𝗏𝗽 and then for the user ID, I'm going to put CFT 2025 and then you'll click on submit. The username will pop up, or the machine ID, will pop up. Copy that, and then we'll have to go over to Replikanto.com, 𝗤𝗏𝗽𝗁, and here you will paste, and you'll click on chain. Then you'll get waiting. From here, you can go to download once it's done, and then you'll get this. Now you'll go to download, click on this, and your downloads file. Mine is up here in the corner. I'm gonna minimize this and this one. Oopsie. You can go ahead and click out it. Click on it here and see on this stand. Okay. Then we can exit out of this, and now we can go back to NinjaTrader. Click on Tools, Import, NinjaScript Add-on. Wait for it. There it is. We'll go to Desktop and find this file, and then it'll pop up. Should we trust him? Sure. And I have it already, so yes, replace it. And then we'll have to shut down, which is fine. I'm gonna go ahead and boop, and then we'll hit X. Don't stress. Hit yes to all. Moment of truth. Double click. Log in as you usually would. Oh yeah. Oh yes. That scared me. Oh, it's music to my ears, man. Music. Okay, so click on New. 𝗤𝗏𝗽𝗁 is right there, and that'll bring up a whole new. Oh, here we go. Don't show this again. We don't need all that. It is your sole responsibility to monitor position and orders all follower accounts. That is so true. Let me tell you. Replikanto is officially up and running. The sync nightmare is behind us, and this setup is locked in for the long haul. In the next episode, I'll walk through how I'm going to set up my Apex Trader Funding PA accounts, step by step, with 𝗏𝗏𝗽𝗁 and 𝗏𝗏𝗽𝗁. If you're trading funded or thinking about it, episode 4 is going to be a must-watch. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.